Hi guys, so today's video is going to be on Alkaline. Alkaline, the vendetta boss himself, which police are now investigating because of a video he did. He is a artist. He has a right to express himself in whichever way he so pleases. He is an artist, and an artist uses his music for self-expression. So when police they investigate Alkaline for music video, which there are billions if not millions of music video with guns and ammunition in there, it's horrendous to me. But we're going to read this article, and then I'm going to tell you guys my topics. Then I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts and opinions, because this they get out of hand now. It'll get real out of hand. So, Tropics. This is found on tropics.com. This article that I'm about to read, and it says Alkaline is said to be interviewed by cops later this week regarding the guns used in his controversial After All video. According to the head of the criminal investigation branch, CIB, Assistant Commissioner of Police Elaine Powell, dancehall artist Alkaline is set to be questioned in relation to his controversial After All music video, which depicted graphic violence and questionable guns. And the CIB is the same branch that questioned Alkaline before about his affiliation with gang members in Jamaica. Cops say they have already interviewed 2 actors who were seen carrying high-powered weapons in the video, as well as the producer of the music video, and are now waiting to interview the Vendetta DJ later this week. So they're set to interview Alkaline later on this week. And you know, the last time Alkaline went in to be interviewed by the CIB, he literally was in there, no charges, no nothing, for 3 whole days before they let him out. And they had to go to court to let him out, because they refused to let him out, because Alkaline refused to give them any information. So they refused. But I saw, let me talk. An investigation was launched into the music video after its guns tooting imagery and An investigation was launched into the music video after its gun-tooting imagery and the appearance of several police personnel and vehicles were spotted in the controversial footage. However, reports indicate that the Vendetta DJ and his team are remaining calm despite police scrutiny. The entertainer's video director, Jay Will, recently released a statement. All the weapons portrayed in the short film entitled After All were film props, plastic replicas, and a rented imitation police uniform as commonly used in plays and theater productions island-wide. However, due to the current reaction to the film by the police force, J. Will Films would like to extend an apology to the Jamaican Constabulary Force, and particularly the female officers who may have taken offense to the short film. This film was not created or conceptualized to offend anyone, or did we mean any ill intent. We were simply expressing a fictional depiction of a corrupt police officer in a corrupt situation. Just an artistic expression. We honor and respect our police officer for making our families and our children safe day to day, and by no means any disrespect to the honest and hardworking police women and men on the force. We are content creators, and we do have a responsibility to depict realistic situations, but at the same time, it's our duty to paint a positive picture when we can. So with that being said, I would like to apologize to anyone who may have been offended by our film. Please don't take it so literal. It's just art. And that's the end of his statement. So 2 actors of the music video have been interviewed, and also the producer of the music video. So I'm happy that he covered all his ground. He made sure he used fake guns, fake ammunition, and imitation police officers' clothing. So no real guns were in that video, because they've been after him for months now. Remember, this is not the first time they've contacted Alkaline to be interviewed, especially this branch of Jamaica Constabulary Force, the CIB. And make no mistake, they know exactly what they're doing. And I feel like, in my opinion, that they're trying to damage this man's image and reputation. If Alkaline is linked to murder, gang, violence, crime, anything in that arena, they're gonna have grounds to take away his visa. They're gonna have grounds to clip him wing, so him only can go to the Caribbean and Jamaica and England, maybe. And I feel like that's what's happening with this whole interviewing of Alkaline. Every 5 minutes, the man put out a music video. There's something in it where them want to ask him about, or they want to ask him about his, affiliation with gang members and what he know about gang. In all truth and in all honesty, I feel like Alkaline need to watch him back. And when I say watch him back, I mean watch him back and in front, side, everywhere him, because they're after him, and they're after him hard. Then they go hard in every sense of the word. Who investigates a freaking music video? Where they do that at? Okay, look how many things: rape, marital affair, sex, crime, violence have been depicted in so many other music videos. But what make Alkaline want them choose to investigate, and why now? Why now? So Alkaline needs to be very, very careful. His team need to be very, very careful in everything that they do from this point on, because then they try mix up this man's name in some foolishness. And Jamaican police are some of the most corrupt police in the whole wide world. So that video depiction of police and how corrupt they are very good depiction of Jamaican police officers, if I don't say so myself. And who don't like it, bite it. Okay? Who don't like it, bite it. Me not take back no chat. They're very corrupt. They're one of the most corrupt police officers in the whole wide world. Okay? So comment section, tell me what you guys think about this, because I find it ridiculous. They have the amount of crime that's happening in Jamaica, the amount of violence, the amount of murder where they Jamaica, where them need to investigate Alkaline music video. Really would them do that at? Please tell me. I know, I want to stop being dirty. I don't mind dirty, no, maybe just wash me here. Okay, leave-in conditioner and gel in there. I know, say somebody will comment some foolish palm my video. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Check me out on Facebook at my fan page, and it's at Brains on the Beat at facebook.com. On YouTube is Brains on the Beat. Instagram, Brains on the Beat. Snapchat, my username is the Mystic JA. All socials will be linked in the description bar. You can know exactly what I'm posting if you follow me on social media and everything that's popping. Okay, Poppington. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuce.